Insoleto.
In Africa.
Insoleto.
In Africa.
In Africa.
Insoleto.
Edo State election is just around the corner, and I want to advise Edolites, the Edo citizens, our electorate, that we cannot achieve good governance that we advocate for if we don't choose right leaders.
Take the right decision to cast your vote. Do not sell your vote.
Come out in mass to cast your vote.
If you don't have voters cards, stay at home.
Let me give you something so that you vote for my party. Vote for my party tactically.
For 4 years.
Let me add to it.
Add to it. Your party, Abi?
Of course.
Let's go and vote.
Do not sell your vote.
Do not sell your vote. Vote your conscience.
After election, there's still life to live.
Stop being used by politicians to perpetrate electoral violence.
Do not allow anybody to advise you against your conscience. Your vote is your power.
Alpha!
I'm born ready.
Body units!
We are scattering them.
Battle boss!
Kidnap everything.
Anybody on that land!
Who they bought things.
Let's go.
But I'm hungry.
Oga at the top will set up our stomach.
I want to advise our youth, stop stealing ballot boxes.
Don't cause problem.
Do not allow yourself to be used as a sacrificial lamb for this election.
Please use your head.
Election is not worth dying for. No politician is worth dying for, no political party is worth dying for.
Please use your head.
Say no to electoral violence.
Please use your head.
Say no to thuggery.
Please use your head.
Say no to electoral malpractice.
Please use your head.
Do not carry gun. We advise you to go and operate, not to gunprate. I'm Comrade Curtis Ogbebo, Coordinator, Freedom Ambassadors Organization.
My name is Comrade Madu Kennedy from Freedom Ambassadors Organization.
I want to advise you all that you should make this Edo State governorship election a peaceful one.